Form 1. Hama Quan Xiangxing. Toad dives into water with a splash. Stand naturally with both legs and feet together. Keep both arms vertical at your sides. Keep fingers together and press palms against the outer thighs. Look straight ahead. Bend your legs and rise onto your toes. Keep both hands at your sides. Without pausing, push off the ground force completely to leap into the air. Simultaneously, swing both hands from your sides. Upward and forward, looking toward the sky. Without pausing, lean your body forward while in midair. Lower your arms with elbows slightly bent. With palms facing down, let your fingertips touch the ground first. Keep legs straight, feet together, and soles facing upward. Without pausing, land on your head and back. Let your feet touch the ground in succession. Then, press your hands against the ground to stand up. Without pausing, bend your knees to a 90-degree angle. Push off the ground force completely with both toes to leap, leaning the torso forward. Swing both arms forward from the sides of the body. Lower the arms with elbows slightly bent, palms facing downward. Keep both legs together with the soles of the feet facing upward. Continuing the movement, let the fingertips touch the ground first. Bend the elbows to lower the chest and abdomen to the ground in sequence.